Exercise 12. Let the function h of x equals 3 times 4 to the power of x. In the xy plane, in how many points does that graph intersect the x-axis? Well, straightforward, in none. Both. Let's talk about the exponential function. It's a to the power of x. Here, my only restriction is that a should be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. If a is greater than 1, then the graph would look like this. If a is between 0 and 1, then my graph would look like that. In both cases, the x-axis serves as an asymptote, which means that both graphs will get closer and closer and closer and closer to it, but without ever intersecting that. Why am I using this theory instead of going directly to Desmos? Because it might be the case that you will not be able to understand it if you look at it. Let's do the graph. 3 times 4 to the power of x. It's this. Now, this line, let me make it a bit bigger. You can see that that should have been the graph, and now it looks like it lies exactly on top of the x-axis. Well, this is an illusion, because if we zoom in and keep moving to the left, you will see that it doesn't intersect it at all. So this means that the graph will always be above the x-axis without ever intersecting that. But for these cases, because we get to see exponentials really often, I want you to remember what we discussed in theory in the beginning, that none of these two cases ever cuts the x-axis. Overall, the right answer for this question would have been A.